Hi friends, in previous session we are already discussing about collision resolution techniques, right? So in this session we are discussing problems on collision resolution techniques, right? So before going to problems, we know how to implement collision resolution techniques. We know very well about how to implement collision resolution techniques. There are two ways to implement the collision resolution techniques, right? So what are those? Open hashing, closed hashing, right? So open hashing is also called as static hashing, dynamic hashing, closed hashing is also called as static hashing. And one more important thing, open hashing is also called as closed addressing. This is very important thing. Now, what is the another name for open hashing? Closed addressing, right? Now, what is the another name for closed hashing? Open addressing. This is very important thing. So these are the another names for open hashing and closed hashing, right? So to implement open hashing or closed addressing mechanism, we are using chain hashing. To implement closed hashing or open addressing mechanism, we are using four types of techniques: linear probing, quadratic probing, random probing, final one is double hashing or rehashing. So these are the various collision resolution techniques. In previous session we are already discussing how to implement these mechanisms, right? So in this session we are discussing problems that are related to collision resolution techniques, right? So first of all, here I am taking one problem. Key elements are 3, 2, 9, 6, 11, 13, 7, 12 and hash function h of k is equal to 2k plus 3. Size of the hash table n is equal to 10, right? So use division method and closed addressing to store the key elements. This is our problem, right? So first of all, here what is the size of the hash table? N is equal to 10, right? So here these are the key elements, right? So we are inserting one by one elements into the hash table, right? Which size is 10, right? So then for that purpose we are using division method and closed addressing mechanism. What is the formula for division method? H of k is equal to k modulo division of n. So there are two formulas are there. Index starts from 1, hash table index starts from 1. We are taking k modulo division of n plus 1. Index starts from 0, k modulo division of n. So here I am taking index starts from 0. So that's why I am taking h of k is equal to k modulo division of n, right? But h of k function is 2k plus 1, which means this is k value. So here to insert these key elements into the hash table, compulsory k value is considered as 2k plus 3 modulo division of n. So this is the hashing function for this problem. Why? Because here h of k is equal to 2k plus 3, right? Then we are inserting all the key elements using division method and closed addressing mechanism. So what is the closed addressing mechanism? So closed addressing is also called as open hashing, right? So to implement open hashing mechanism, we are using chain hashing. In chain hashing, the entire data can be represented with the help of linked list format, right? So here I am taking one by one key elements, right? So here first of all, what is the key element? H of 3. So what is the formula? 2k plus 3 modulo division of n. Why? Because hash function is 2k plus 3 in this problem only, right? So 2k plus 3, 2k plus 3 modulo division of size of the hash table is 10. So 2 into 3 plus 3 modulo division of 10. 6, 9. 9 modulo division of 10. So here this is less value when compared to size of the hash table. So that's why the result is 9. Right? So in any problem, size of the hash table is greater than result returns output. Right? So here 9 modulo division of 10 means 9. 5 modulo division of 10, 5. 6 modulo division of 10, 6. Right? So here 9. What is the size of the hash table? 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So index starts from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So at which position h of 3 is inserted? So third element is inserted, 9th position. Right? So then we are taking one more key element. What is the key element? H of 2. H of 2. 2 into 2 plus 3 modulo division of 10. 4, 7. 7 modulo division of 10. So 7 modulo division of 10 means 7. Right? So here 7 modulo division of 10 means 7. At 7th position collision is not occurred. So that's why we are inserting key element 2 at 7th position. Right? Then we are discussing our next inserted element, that is h of 9. H of 9. 2 into 9 plus 3 modulo division of n 10. Right? So 18 plus 3, 21 modulo division of 10. So 21 modulo division of 10 means remainder is 1. So that's why 9th key element is inserted at first position. So here no collision is there. So that's why directly we are inserting 9 at position 1. Right? So what is the next inserted key value? H of 6. H of 6. So H of 6 is equal to 2 into 6. 2 into 6, 12 plus 3 modulo division of 10. Modulo division of 10. So 2 into 6, 12 plus 3, 15. So 15 modulo division of 10. So what is the remainder value? 5. So at 5th position we are inserting 6. So here there is no element. So that's why directly we are inserting 6 at 5th position. 6. Right? So what is the next inserted key value? H of 11. H of 11. So 2 into 11 plus 3 modulo division of n. Sorry, modulo division of n value is 10. 22 plus 3, 25 modulo division of 10. So what is the remainder value? 5. Right? So 5th position is not vacant position, already occupied by 6th key value. So that's why first collision is occurred. So here in this problem we are using closed addressing mechanism. So closed addressing is nothing but open hashing. So to implement open hashing mechanism we are using linked list concept. So that's why at position 5 I am creating linked list. Why? Because so 6th element is already occupied by 5th position. So that's why I am creating one node in linked list. So in that node I am placing key element 11. Right? So what is the next inserted key value? H of 13. H of 13, which is equivalent to 2 into 13 plus 3 modulo division of 10. So 26 plus 3, 29 modulo division of 10, which is equivalent to 9. So ninth position is not vacant position. So that's why collision is occurred. First collision is occurred for h of 13. So here we are implementing closed addressing mechanism. For that purpose, I am creating linked list at position 9. So that's why I am creating one node. So in that node, I am placing key value 9. Right? What is the next? Sorry, here I am inserting 13. Key value 13. Right? What is the next inserted key value? 7. H of 7. H of 7 is equal to 2 into 7 plus 3 modulo division of 10. 14, 17. Right? So 17 modulo division of 10. 7. So at 7th position, we are inserting key element 7. But 7th position is already occupied by key element 2. So that's why collision is occurred. That's why here at 7th position I am creating linked list with the help of nodes. Here I am creating one node, and in that node I am placing key element 7. Right? So what is the next inserted key value? 12. H of 12. 2 into 12 plus 3 modulo division of 10. 24 plus 3. So 24 plus 3, 27. Modulo division of 10. Oh, remainder is 7. So at 7th position, collision is occurred. So that's why we are creating one more node. In that node, I am inserting key element 12. Right? So after completion of entire process, the list of the last node link path is always said to be null. Right? So this is the one problem, right? Related to problems on collision resolution techniques, right? So here I am taking one more problem. So key elements are same, and hash function h of k is equal to 2k plus 3, and size of the hash table n is equal to 10. Using division method and open addressing method, linear probing. 4 techniques are there. So here I am taking linear probing to store all the key elements. Right? So here I am solving this problem with the help of division method and open addressing method, linear probing. Right? So here, what is the first inserted key value? What is the size of the hash table? N is equal to 10. So here I am creating hash table. Index starts from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? Index starts from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? So here we are using division method. What is the hash function? 2k plus 3. So in place of k, I am writing 2k plus 3 modular division of n. So here we are inserting one by one key value. H of k, h of 3 is equal to 2 into 3 plus 3 modular division of 10. Right? So here 2 plus 3. What is the formula for open addressing method linear probing? H of k is equal to k modulo division of n plus I. Right? So here already k is 2k plus 3. So that's why I am considering 2k plus 3 modulo division of n plus I. So I value starts from 1 to n. So I is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. Once collision is occurred, then we are applying this formula. So this formula is for linear probing, open addressing technique. Right? So here 2 into 3, 6 plus 9, 9 modular division of 10. So always less value returns as a result. So 9. Right? So at ninth position we are inserting key element 9. Fine. So what is the next inserted key element? H of 3. So H of 3, 2 into 3 plus 3 modulo division of 10, 9 modulo division of 10, 9. So at ninth position we are inserting key value 3. At ninth position we are inserting key value 3. So what is the next inserted key value? H of 2. 2 into 2 plus 3 modulo division of 10. 4 plus 3 7 modulo division of 10. So this is less value, so that's why this can be written as result 7. So at 7th position we are inserting 2. So no collision is there. Why? Because 7th position is vacant position. So that's why directly key element 2 is inserted at 7th position. Right. So what is the next inserted key value? H of 9. 2 into 9 plus 3 modulo division of 10. 18 plus 3 21 modulo division of 10. So at first position we are inserting key element 9. So what is the remainder value? 1. At first position we are inserting key value 9. Fine. Then what is the next inserted key element? H of 6. H of 6 is equal to 2 into 6 plus 3 modulo division of 10. 12, 15 modulo division of 10. So what is the remainder value? 5. So fifth position is vacant position. So that's why we are inserting sixth key element at fifth position, right? 6. So what is the next inserted key value? H of 11. So 2k 2 into 11 plus 3 modulo division of 10. So 22 plus 3 25 modulo division of 10 5. So at fifth position generally we are inserting 11, but fifth position is already occupied by key element 6. So that's why first collision is occurred for key element 11. Then we are applying open addressing mechanism, linear probing. What is the formula for open probing? Open addressing linear probing. So k modulo division of n plus I, general formula, but k is already given 2k plus 3 modulo division of n plus 1, right? So 2 into 11 plus 3 modulo division of n 10 plus I. So I value starts from 1. So that's why here I am taking I is equal to 1, right? Sorry. I value is equal to 1. So total this value is 25 modulo division of 10 plus 1. So 5 plus 1, right, which is equivalent to 6. So sixth position is vacant position, so that's why there is no collision. Directly we are entering 11 key element at sixth position, right? So 11, right? What is the next key value? H of 13.